Reliance Jio plans to build its own 5G software stack and embrace Open RAN techniques, which will help it save up on hefty premium payouts to the existing 4G network suppliers. This will provide a good advantage to the telecom giant in achieving India's 5G ambitions. Reliance Jio plans to build its own 5G software stack and embrace Open RAN techniques soon. This will help the telecom giant save a large premium payout to existing 4G network supplier Samsung. Jio's pact with Qualcomm Inc. would help it roll out advanced 5G infrastructure and services. This news comes at a time when China's Huawei Technology and ZTE Corp are being considered to be kept out of India's plan to roll out 5G network, as relations between the two countries have hit record lows. To keep the two Chinese firms out of bidding, the Indian government is expected to cite national security concerns to restrict bidder from nations it shares land borders with. The Ministry of Communication will restart pending discussions on approval for 5G trials by private companies including Bharti Airtel, Reliance Jio Infocomm, and Vodafone Idea that were delayed by the nationwide lockdown. The process of auction 5G may spill into next year, according to the officials. A decision on the ban is expected to be announced in a week or two after approval from the Prime Minister's office. During these uncertain times, Reliance could be a serious challenge to Huawei in the Indian market after Mukesh Ambani announced plans to roll out 5G network for his Jio Infocomm using technology developed in-house on July 15th. He had not shared much details regarding this decision, but it will surely be a game changer. Adding to the hype, Reliance Jio official had added that its carrier won't need to spend much to switch to the new system, unlike some of its rivals. This leaves it immune to political dispute linked to Chinese equipment vendors that global telecommunication companies are embroiled in. However, with the economy headed for a collapse amid a worsening COVID-19 pandemic, the government may not be in position to push for a 5G spectrum auction in the near future. While India allowed Huawei to participate in its 5G trials earlier this year, it hardened its stance against Chinese companies after China's action along with their disputed border in early May. Telecom infrastructure has become part of national security assets, and nations are looking at controlling and regulating them. But the Indian market is already battling infrastructure and regulatory problems. The network equipment market is a small one, so India's challenges will compound from such a decision. Telecom companies were expected to invest $4 billion in setting up 5G infrastructure. That could be tough as companies including Bharti, Vodafone Group PLC, and even state-run firms continue to struggle to make existing 4G networks profitable. There's already heavy reliance on Chinese equipment in its 4G network, and shutting down to Huawei and ZTE could increase cost of a switch to 5G by as much as 35%. Jio might have managed to build its own 5G software stack and is likely to opt for Open RAN techniques or Cloud RAN as an architecture, which would allow them to avoid paying expensive premiums to the existing equipment providers. This will allow to export its expertise to other developing markets that have not yet started to upgrade to 5G. Adding to this would be a global pushback on China's Huawei as a provider of 5G networking components. It could allow Open RAN techniques to gain a stronger foothold into existing operator networks. Experts believe that there would be some external dependencies for Jio, as most of the semiconductors used to power radio access networks are likely to be foreign developed and produced, nothing which the telecom giant would not be able to address well enough given its strong credentials. There is a possibility of Reliance Jio leveraging the work of the telecom infrastructure project founded by its partner Facebook. While Jio is not listed as a member of this project, it is listed as a member of Open RAN Policy Coalition. The goal of this coalition is to promote policies that will advance the adoption of open and interoperable solutions in the radio access network. This is aimed at creating innovation, improving competition, and expanding the supply chain for advanced wireless technologies using 5G. Reliance Jio could be a serious challenge to its Chinese counterparts in the world's second biggest wireless market. After Mukesh Ambani announced plans to soon roll out a 5G network for its Jio Infocomm using an in-house technology, what does the 5G era have in store for Indian users? Will an Indian telecom company be able to match up the technology competence of Jio?